Hi everyone! This video will be about dentistry financial model of a business plan. We are business planners and we can help you to prepare your business plan or financial model on Excel. Subscribe for more videos. Please like and share to help the channel grow. If you have a business idea of starting your own business, this very simple financial model can help you to evaluate the amount of money needed to start this business. Besides, you will also be able to see the profit, payback period of your investment, and profitability of your future operating activity. Of course, it will be very interesting for you to know how stable your business idea is if something happens with revenue and expenses. So now let's go through the model and I will show you what items you should pay attention to if you want to run this business. In this model, all inputs are colored in blue. Other cells are automatic. First of all, you enter the year when all your financial projections start. Then you enter the month and year when you get the first revenue. Now you have to create a credible revenue-generating algorithm. And here it is. First of all, you start with naming all your dental operations. Then you set up a price for each operation. Then you specify the duration for each dental operation in minutes. These inputs will be later needed for your time limitation system, which will help you to create the revenue you will really believe in. That is important. Then you specify the salary for dentists per hour, or it can be a dentist plus assistant. This is done for each dental operation. Then you specify direct costs for each dental operation. Now you go to the next step of your time limitation system. You have 8 types of days, Monday to Sunday plus holiday. In this table, you can specify the amount of working hours for each day of the week plus holiday. Then you can create a typical schedule for each day of the week plus holiday. You can create a realistic amount of different dental operations for each type of day. For example, on Mondays you have less operations. On holidays you have no operations. On Thursdays you have more operations than average amount. So here you add operations and all other data required for further calculations appears automatically. At the end of each type of day you have totals for daily revenue, dentist payroll, direct costs, total duration of operations nominated in hours, and control sign. What is interesting about this block? If the total duration of operations exceeds the daily working hours, you'll get a red warning mistake sign here. This means that in reality, you won't be able to make this amount of operations. If you don't have such a system which controls your revenue, then you calculate irrelevant revenue, irrelevant profit, irrelevant profitability, and as a result, irrelevant simple and discounted payback periods. All financial efficiency is irrelevant without time limitation system. Using this system, an entrepreneur is absolutely confident about the revenue and knows that is not overestimated. Then we take 365 days in a typical year and allocate them inside months and weekdays. If we have some holidays in this or that month, just put the amount here. If we allocate more or less than 365 days, you will be shown a mistake sign. In each month, we have a total for ordinary days plus total for holidays and a total for ordinary days plus holidays. Then you have a seasonality table. Here you have a typical year where 100% is typical revenue mentioned here. If some months have a decline in revenue, you can use a coefficient to decrease it. Then you deal with investment plan before the start of operating activity. Green column will show you the moment when you get the first revenue. Moving to the past from the moment of revenue, you describe the investment stage. Here you specify what item you are going to invest in, when you invest, and how much you invest. Then you have to specify the speed of reaching planned revenue for the first 24 months of operating activity. These months are special because they are the first. Specifying the speed, you can look afterwards at cash flow statement to see if there are operational losses before your business idea reaches break-even point. Looking at cash flow statement, you will be able to see what are the first months with operational losses and also be able to see the scale of these losses and the duration of a period of these operational losses. This is very important for business owner at first months of operating a business. It is because he needs to know how much extra money he must be ready to invest in financing of operational losses. All this is vital because all this time while operational losses do exist, the entrepreneur is patiently waiting until the investment project becomes finally profitable. Then you have a payroll table where you mention salaries, positions, and the amount of people on each position. Also, your business may have some fixed costs which can be specified here in a typical year. Going ahead, you also have a depreciation table. If you have a depreciation for the investment item, you can set the depreciation status and specify the period of depreciation in months. The next block of inputs deals with taxes. You can set the tax rates and move to the cash flow statement where you will see the results of financial modeling. Cash flow is the main statement where you see financial efficiency of your business idea. What valuable information can you get from this table? First, you can see the total revenue, direct and fixed costs, payroll, and taxes. Second, you can see your monthly profit and cumulative cash balance. Third, one of the main things you'll see from cash flow is total amount of money you need to start the business. If you see that total financing is bigger than amount of money you have, you can add loan parameters. Amount of loan, month and year you get it, loan term in months, interest rate, and grace period for interest and body payment of the loan. After cash flow statement, you can see lines with profit and profitability. Then you can set a discount rate and look at the final financial efficiency parameters of your business idea. Now you can see the graphic illustration of your business idea. Here you see in monthly detail simple and discounted payback period, loan coverage ratio, revenue and total expenses, profit, profitability, cash balance, cumulative profit, operation profit, and loan payment. Then we have the same information done yearly. On the next Excel sheet, we have gathered yearly consolidated cash flow statement, profit-loss statement, and main financial results of your business idea. Finally, you see the financial efficiency of your dentistry business idea. Is this model stable? What will happen to your business if revenue decreases or expenses rise? Now it's time to apply sensitivity analysis. Further, you have several Excel sheets where you test financial efficiency. You test the influence of such parameters as revenue, fixed and direct costs, payroll, investment, interest rate, and loan amount. How does it work? For example, let's go to the revenue sensitivity test. Here, you set the pace of increasing or decreasing the revenue. Then you push Sense button and see when the financial efficiency will go negative. Now you see how stable this business model is. It's a great moment to rethink your business strategy in time before you start investing your money in business. Maybe it's a good time to return back to inputs and create new scenario which is more financially strong. The same story goes with all other blocks of sensitivity analysis. So this was Dentistry financial business model, which can help you to check quickly the vision of your future business idea. The link to download is below this video. If this video was useful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Should you choose to take action in your startup, we can help you with business planning and financial modeling. Let's test your business idea. Stay tuned and bye-bye.